Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me, Fiasna. We're going to more on the chapter 18, DHCP server and DHCP client, where I will discuss the three methods, namely 1. Draft DHCP server and DHCP client. 2. Configuration parties DHCP server and DHCP client. 3. Fixed address DHCP server. Okay, let's jump right into the first topic, the DHCP server and DHCP client. So, DHCP dynamic host configuration protocol. Previously, we configured the IP address manually. Now, with now with DHCP. Well, see, you have to Ubuntu client obtain. Now, with DHCP, we'll try to have the Ubuntu client obtain an IP address automatically. This Ubuntu RTR connect to this virtual machine on the edge router. Next, we'll have this Ubuntu RTR automatically assign an IP address to the Ubuntu desktop. So the Ubuntu RTR acts as the DHCP server and the Ubuntu client acts as the DHCP client. First job is to automatically resolve an IP address from the server. Let's move on the second topic. We'll log in the Ubuntu client, where we access the Ubuntu RTR by entering the SSL command. In this command, the first step is to install the DHCP server by entering the command sudo is where is install PSG DHCP server. Then enter select drive, enter, waiting till process successful. Okay. Once that's successful, we can edit the configuration file by typing the command nano close etc slice default slice IST PCP PCP cell file. So, and mm, under the line interface V4 and in this Mine. With Control X, Y, Enter. Once done, I would try typing to command mm, but then since we record, we're now on the Ubuntu client. If we check the Ubuntu RTR, it's still rebooting. Go to the Ubuntu RTR watching. Yes, and go to the Ubuntu RTR loading screen. Okay, since we rebooted, we're now on the Ubuntu client. If we check the Ubuntu RTR, it's still rebooting. Go to the Ubuntu RTR login screen, then we can remotely connect it to the Ubuntu RTR from the Ubuntu client by typing the command sh at 172 to 16 to 1 to 1. Okay? Hmm. And let's try editing file description. So don't no etc dhcp dot configuration password and select the request in the subnet range option domain name server, option domain name, option subnet mask, option router, option broadcast address, and default list. In the subnet section, in the subnet section, change the subnet to 172.16.1.1.255 range 172.16.1.10 172.16.1.200 option domain name servers for 8.8.8.8 domain name server avia.com option subnet mask 255.255.255.224. Okay, option routers 172.16 to 1.1. Option broadcast address 172.16.1.255. Default last name 600. Okay, and then Control X, Y, and Enter. Let's start the DHCP server with sudo systemctl restart inc DHCP. Okay, and once the DHCP server is configured the DHCP client on the Ubuntu client, log into the Ubuntu client, go to the setting, root setting, and IP4, IP45, IP4, and change the section connection with to manual to automatic. Apply disable and enable. Okay, go to Ubuntu client and checks sudo one apply third password. Okay, IPR. Okay, uh, dynamic. Check the IP with ping 172 to 16.1. Okay, ping google.com. Okay, ping 8.8.8.8. Okay, and if this works, it means the setup was successful. Let's move on to the last step. Here we'll configure the system so that the IP address is saved automatically. Log into the Ubuntu RTR on the client. Click on the client, then edit file, sudo nano slice etc slice dhcp slice dhcpd conf center and host fantasia and host fantasia. Enter and close it in its breaks and include the enter block up to the closing brace. For the closing brace, in host fantasia hardware ethernet fixed address. And go to the Ubuntu server. Ubuntu, client Ubuntu, and then IPR and by link and link slash header apply and where is this name. Okay, and physical address I want to 172.16.1.27. Okay, Control X, Y, and enter. Sudo and sudo check it out. Start kasi Dhcp server. Okay. Let's start the client terminal. Go to client terminal. Go to wired network setting. To wired network setting. Wired setting. Enable and disable and enable. Okay. From the client to and whatever. Sudo plan apply where sword and EPS. Okay. New IP 172.16.1.27. We got the IP address we want, but its status is still dynamic. So that's what a fake address is like everyone. Okay, that's probably all I can say in this chapter. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.